How to hide likes on X. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the X application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Here, you will see the option for privacy and safety. Tap on that and then tap on the audience and tagging option you see there at the top. In here, go ahead and toggle on the toggle buttons for protect your post and then toggle on the toggle button for protect your videos. And with this, only the people that you follow will be able to show your post. And this was about how you can hide likes on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.